Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. So, Ovusumuzi Ket Matlala was back in the Alexandra Magistrate Court today, the 7th of October, 2025. But once again, the case didn't go ahead. It's been postponed to the 11th of November, 2025. And this time for a major reason. So, the National Prosecuting Authority wants to centralize 7 different dockets connected to Matlala. These dockets come from different jurisdictions and the state wants to combine them into one massive case that will likely be transferred to the Johannesburg High Court. So basically what started as one attempted murder case has now grown into something much bigger. Matlala appeared alongside with his 4 co-accused, Umusa Kekana, Tiago Floyd Mabusela, his wife Tsakani Matlala, and Thabiseng Nzama. All 5 are facing charges related to the attempted murder of actress Tebogo Tebojane, as well as money laundering. Now remember, the shooting happened on the N1 highway in Sandton back in 2023. At the time, Tebogo Tebojane was driving when gunmen opened fire on her car. She survived, but the incident opened up a whole chain of investigations that are now linking Matlala to other serious crimes. Along the new dockets, the state wants to centralize cases involving murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and money laundering. At the Madlanga Commission, Matlala's name also came up in connection with a cartel allegedly called the Big Five. This group is said to be involved in drug distribution, contract killings, and even linked to the 2 billion rand looting at Tembisa Hospital. For now, Matlala remains in custody. His bail was denied in September after the court ruled that he was a flight risk. He's planning to appeal that decision, but the state has already said they'll oppose it. So the next court date is set for the 11th of November 2025, when all 7 dockets are expected to be merged into one case, a case that could expose a much larger criminal network operating across South Africa. So please follow for more updates as we continue tracking what happens in the Vusumuzi Ket Matlala story. If you're into long form videos, please go to my YouTube channel called Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. Please go and subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. With that being said, I will see you in the next one, and God bless you. Ciao.